Sabi nila, when the D-Day comes, babalik sa'yo lahat ng memories mo. Simula na nagsimula ka sa journey na yun. Lahat ng iyak, puyat, pagod, stress, at kabaliwan mo during those moments ay bigla na lang magpa-flashback. Kaya as this college journey ends, gusto ko lang balikan yung mga memories na masaya, malungkot, at nakakabaliw na nag-mold sa akin para maging ako kung sino man ako ngayon. Hindi madali maging college or student. Andyan yung doubt mo sa sarili mo if you're already giving your best. Kasi minsan, kahit na ibuhos mo na, hindi pa din sapat or appreciated. Andyan din yung pressure sa juice with your activities. Wherein, kung kailan mentally unstable ka, saka pa sila bubuhos. Also, yung question mo sa sarili mo kung gagraduate ka ba on time. It was like a roller coaster ride with lots of uncertainty. Pero here I am now, stepping my one foot forward towards my goals. And this momentum will not be possible kung wala yung mga importanteng tao sa buhay ko. Our God's presence, my family, friends, mentors, and also you guys. Kaya, siguro nga talaga ang swerte ko lang din siguro sa mga tao sa paligid ko na nakasama ko sa pag-stroll sa bumpy road na ito. Yung mga taong nakasama kong umiyak at tumawa. Kaya super happy and excited akong i-share sa inyo itong araw na pinakahintay ko, ang aking graduation day. It's me again, Jenny D, at your screen in the back for another vlog! For today's video, ayan, ito naman natin na ngayon yung graduation day ko. And inaantay na lang namin yung sasakyan. Hindi pa ako nakaayos kasi sabi ko, sa sasakyan na ako mag-aayos kasi ang processional namin is 11:45 and mahuhulas pa ako. So sabi ko, sa sasakyan na ako mag-aayos. Samahan niyo ako sa big day, guys. To the end.
policies and standards of the Commission on Higher Education and the Legal Education Board. I hereby confer upon you your respective degrees, and you are now officially graduates of this school year, 2023-2024. Congratulations to one and all.
Thank you, Mr. President. With this, let us now proceed to the award.
Calvadores Genevieve D. Devilla Erica May M. De la Peña Gabriel L. Cum laude. Donfina Karen B. Dungume Sarah May D. Cum laude. Dumangkas Angeline F. Enoch Leonardo Vincent L. Errol Benson B. Espedillon Pamela H.
Moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in my darkest night. You were close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as a friend. Oh, I have lived in the goodness of God. Ooh.
It's the way you call my name. It's the way you say. It's the way you say.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and ember trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, say goodbye.
Guys, so yun. Medyo hinaan natin yung boses natin kasi tulog na yung mga tao. Nasa house na kami. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video after and during the graduation kasi medyo patago yung mga phones. And yun, wala na kami masyadong ginawa right after ng graduation. Kumain na kami sa labas, ganyan. Then right after nun, umuwi na rin kami agad. Kasi tomorrow naman is yung graduation celebration. Thanksgiving lang kasi nairaos natin yung 4 years. Yan. So yun, before this day ends, I would like to thank my family first and God. Also, I want to thank them. Dahil, syempre, si God for His guidance and His unwavering love. Although, sobrang bumpy talaga ng ride during ng college days. Uncertain na mga bagay-bagay kung gagraduate ka ba on time. Pero, without His grace and guidance, this day won't be possible. And also, to my family na lagi nandyan sa side ko no matter what. Syempre, sa college days natin, sobrang daming ginagawa, ganon. And may mga times na sobrang stress talaga sa school, but thankfully, I have this supportive family beside me na even though hindi sila so showy kung paano sila magpapakita ng love and support nila towards me, but in a secretive way, nasa-show nila. Yun, super thank you. Love na love ko kayo. This diploma is for you. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, sa love and support nyo, siguro hindi ko kakayanin lahat ng challenges ng ako lang. Also, to my friends, my childhood friends, my El Shaddai family, my El Shaddai friends, my college friends who's with me throughout this journey, yung mga childhood friends ko, mga tropa pips ko, na hindi ko na masyado nakakausap because of my busy schedule. Thank you guys sa pag-intindi sa schedule ko. Although, may mga times na hindi ko na kayo nakakasama, but still, you guys are my greatest friends. And also my family, my El Shaddai family, and my El Shaddai friends. Super thank you po sa prayers. Sobrang thank you din po sa mga taong nakakausap ko every time na I am bothered with problems, trials. Thank you po, lalo sa mga preachers, sa mga disciples na lagi nagpipray sa akin, ganyan, during college days. And also, my college friends, my BSA friends, my FM friends. Thank you guys. Kayo yung nakasama ko sa loob ng 4 na taon sa challenges. Nakasama ko yung umiyak, tumawa, mabaliw, mamoblema. Naitawid natin, guys. Congrats sa atin. And to those students na magsa-step forward, sa mga graduating students na magsa-step forward, kaya mga third year students na mag-4th year, yan, konti na lang, guys. Tulad na magpapasokan na ulit. So, yun, kapit lang. Ngayon na 4th year na kayo, sobrang bilis na lang talaga ng panahon. Ang mabibigay ko na lang advice sa inyo, seize this moment. Although, ang pressuring na niya kasi 4th year na, but guys, enjoyin nyo kasi mamimiss nyo din yan. So, yan. Good night. Rest na tayo.